If you've ever seen a check engine light pop on and thought, is this a $20 fix or a $2,000 problem? This video is for you. Today I'm ranking 5 of the most popular budget-friendly OBD2 auto scan tools from number 5 to number 1, and I'll tell you what they're actually like to use in the real world, what they do well, what they don't, and which one makes the most sense for most drivers. Number 5. VDIAGTOOL, VD10. The VD10 is the kind of scan tool you buy because you want something simple, cheap, and ready to work the second it shows up. It's a plug-and-play style OBD2 reader that pulls power straight from the car's OBD port, and it focuses on the basics: reading codes, clearing codes, live data, freeze frame, IM readiness, and vehicle info. In my testing, it's actually pretty satisfying for quick what's the code moments. The screen is a basic 2-line LCD with a backlight, so it's not fancy, but it's readable even in a darker garage. I also like that it's aimed at beginners, when you just want to confirm what triggered the light before you go down the rabbit hole. It's fast and straightforward. Where it starts to feel budget is the overall data experience. Yes, it can show live data and freeze frame, but you're doing it on a tiny screen with limited context. So it's not the tool I'd pick if you're the type who wants to compare sensor behavior over time or really dig into patterns. It's more like identify the issue, clear the code after repairs, and move on. Another thing, the VD10 leans heavily into being an entry-level OBD2 tool, so it's great for check engine emissions-related diagnostics, but it's not pretending to be a high-end module scanner. If you're chasing ABS or airbag lights, you'll probably outgrow it quickly and end up buying twice. That's not a defect, just a reality of what this class of tool is. Bottom line, it's solid for basic OBD2 functions, but if you want a more modern interface and smoother live data workflow, you may feel the limitations pretty quickly, especially once you start diagnosing anything beyond the obvious. Number 4. Autel AL319. The Autel is popular for one big reason. It's designed to make emissions readiness checks dead simple. It's built around Autel's one-click IM readiness concept, and it combines that with a color TFT screen, a built-in speaker, and LED indicators that make readiness status easy to understand even if you're not an OBD nerd. When I ran it on a vehicle that was getting prepped for inspection, that one-click readiness workflow is genuinely the highlight. You're not digging through menus wondering where the monitor status lives. This is the tool's personality, and it does that job well. It reads and clears codes, shows freeze frame, and can display DTC definitions right on the device, which is handy when you're in the driveway and don't want to Google every code. That said, the AL319 feels a bit specialized basic. It's excellent at the check engine light and readiness conversation, road test, verify repairs, monitor status, but if you're expecting it to feel like a deeper diagnostic platform, it won't. It's still an OBD2 code reader at heart, not a multi-system scanner. I also noticed that the user experience is very Autel-ish, simple, structured, and confident, but not necessarily the fastest for bouncing around live data like you would when you're chasing an intermittent issue. You can read live PCM data, but it's not the tool that makes you want to sit there for 30 minutes watching sensors unless you absolutely have to. So why is it number 4? Because it's a dependable inspection and check engine helper. But compared to the next tools, it doesn't feel as well-rounded for the price if your main goal is diagnosing, not just checking readiness and clearing the light. Still a good buy, just know what lane it's in. 3. ANCEL AD410. The ANCEL steps things up by feeling more like a complete OBD2 diagnostic companion, not just a code eraser. It supports core functions like reading and clearing codes, IM readiness, freeze frame, and vehicle information, but it also gets into more diagnostic-style modes like O2 sensor testing and EVAP system testing. In my hands-on use, that extra coverage matters because it changes how you troubleshoot. Instead of only reacting to a stored code, you can check supporting emissions-related tests and look at live data streams while thinking through what the engine computer is seeing. It's still within the OBD2 engine emissions world, but it feels more investigative than the number 5 and number 4 tools. The live data is a big part of why people buy scanners, and the AD410 leans into that with live data stream viewing and freeze frame support. When a check engine light comes on, being able to look at the snapshot conditions and then compare them with current live readings helps you decide whether something is a one-time glitch or a repeating behavior. One feature I appreciate in real use is the practical stuff: on-screen code definitions and the overall no-nonsense interface. You're not buying it to feel entertained, you're buying it to get answers, clear the code after a repair, and confirm the car is behaving. This tool supports that workflow nicely, and it feels like it was designed for DIYers who actually plan to do the repair. If you want more than basic, but you're still staying in budget territory, the AD410 hits a sweet spot, especially if you care about emissions-related troubleshooting beyond just reading a P code and guessing. Number 2. FOXWELL NT301. The NT301 is one of those tools that makes you feel like you're upgrading into a more serious diagnostic experience while still staying beginner-friendly. It supports full OBD2 service modes, and it leans hard into live data features, graphing, logging, freeze frame, and built-in DTC lookup so you can interpret codes on the spot. In real testing, the live data graphing is the standout because it helps you notice trends instead of staring at changing numbers. If you're watching something like coolant temp behavior, O2 sensor switching, or fuel trim movement, the ability to visualize what's happening makes diagnosis faster and less guessy. It's also set up for smog emissions readiness workflows with IM readiness hotkeys. Plus, it can retrieve vehicle information like VIN, CID, CVN, depending on the vehicle. That combination is exactly what most DIYers need. Understand the check engine light, confirm repair success, and avoid showing up to inspection with monitors still incomplete. Now, there's a key limitation you need to know. The NT301 is not an ABS airbag scanner. FOXWELL explicitly positions tools like the NT630 Plus for ABS and airbag diagnostics, which implies the NT301 is staying in the engine/emissions OBD2 lane. If your car has an ABS light or SRS light, this won't be the one tool to rule them all. Still, for check engine diagnostics, it feels like a near-pro experience in a budget body, especially if you value live data and want something you won't outgrow the moment you try to diagnose something slightly more complex than a loose gas cap. Number 1. ANCEL AD310. The ANCEL takes the number 1 spot here because it nails what most people actually need from a best budget auto scan tool: quick, reliable code reading, easy clearing after repairs, and the key features that help you understand what happened. Not just that something happened. It supports reading and erasing codes, live data, freeze frame, IM readiness, and vehicle info, which covers the real-world basics extremely well. What impressed me most in use is how simple it feels while still giving you the right diagnostic building blocks. Freeze frame is huge because it's basically the car's snapshot at the moment the fault set. RPM, temperature, load, and other parameters can point you in the right direction before you buy parts. The AD310 supports viewing freeze frame data and live data, so you can connect the story of the code to what the engine is doing. I also like the physical design logic: a clear LCD with backlight, powered directly from the OBD connector, and a basic button layout that doesn't try to be clever. It's one of those tools that feels comfortable to throw in the glove box, and when you need it, it just works. No apps, no pairing, no hoping your phone battery survives. For beginners, the AD310 is forgiving. You plug it in, pull codes, read definitions, check readiness, and you're already ahead of the average driver who's guessing based on vibes. For DIYers, it becomes a routine tool. Scan, diagnose, repair, clear, confirm readiness. Done. So if you're choosing one tool from this list to keep in the car and actually use for years, the AD310 is the best mix of simplicity, essential functionality, and day-to-day practicality, especially if your main mission is check engine light diagnostics without spending a fortune.